So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the visibility issue if you are facing on your iOS 26 of the control panel. Now if you are facing any issue in the control panel, you might not be able to see the controls clearly. So in order to fix that issue, just simply go to the settings. In the settings, when you open the settings, it will look something like this. Now here, scroll down until you see this option of accessibility. Here you'll see this option. Just simply tap over there. Here you'll see this option of display and text size in the vision center. Just simply go over there, and here you'll see this option of reduce transparency. Once you do that, it will reduce the transparency effects on the control panel switches. Now here you'll see all the transparency effects have been gone, and you might be now able to see the control panel even more clearly. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.